So here we are heading off to the big race.
Run Josie.
Run Josie. Alexander. So we'll see how that goes. Behind us we've got Andre and his mate Ruben following us. And it looks bloody hot. And I think we might be a little later than we should be. So see what the story is. Anyway, check in a bit.
It's early in the morning, I'm laughing at the sun. My mirror disappoints me, yeah. Am I the only one? It's all I need, all I need, all I need, all I need, all I need. All I need is you smiling at me. All I need, all I need, all I need, all I need, all I need is life, love with you. I'm getting closer, but the scene